Hello guys, my name is Ndrav Mahmadjanov and you are on Tech Pro channel. Today I will review Xiaomi phones. First is the Xiaomi 14T Pro and the second is Xiaomi 15T Pro. Stay with me, I will show and tell all about the phones. Okay, let's dive in. First was released on 2024 and this is the Xiaomi 14T Pro. And the second is the Xiaomi 14T Pro, which was released in 2025 on September 24th. As you can see, these phones are really big and displays are really beautiful and big, as you can see. Well, and their design. The Xiaomi 14T Pro has back glass. It's really glass. You can hear it. The frame is aluminum. Here is the buttons: power button, sound button, and here is Type-C port, microphone, SIM slot. Here is not jack port for headphones, and the display is AMOLED. The frame is really not too thin, it's really thick. What about the Xiaomi 14T Pro? It has, if I'm not mistaken, it's plastic back and aluminum frame. Oh, I love this button. Something good, as you can see. And here is another button for volume. 3 cameras. There is flashlight. Here is the sound, SIM slot, and Type-C port. Well, both phones support Dolby Atmos, and the Xiaomi 14T Pro installed with AMOLED display with 144 refresh rate, Android 15, MediaTek Dimensity 9400 plus with 3nm chip. It's really good for gaming and daily usage. Camera are 4 cameras. Here is a flashlight. It's supported by Leica. The main camera is 50 megapixel. Here it is. And the second camera is 50 megapixel is telephoto. 12 megapixel is ultra wide, and it has Leica lens. It can shoot videos with 8K 30 FPS or 4K 30 FPS, 60 FPS, or up to 110 FPS. It's, I think, really good for this brand phone. As you can see, I will try ultra wide. Well, it really looks like good. Me. Well guys, now I will talk about the Xiaomi 14T Pro. It has also 3 cameras: 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel is telephoto, and 12 megapixel is ultra wide. Same as in Xiaomi 14T Pro, it supports 8K resolution shooting with 24 or 30 FPS, and also it supports 4K with 24, 30 or 60 FPS. Well, as I said before, it has AMOLED display with 144 refresh rate, and also here is solid the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus with 4nm. It has protection from dust, water, IP68, and that's all about the parameters. I will show how it works. As you can see, it's really smooth and really fast. I will try to open the settings. I will show you the refresh rate. You can choose 60 refresh rate or 144 Hz. Wow. It's really fast and smooth. Well, but what about the Xiaomi 15T Pro, the newest model? It's really cool. It also supports 144 Hz refresh rate. Well, I will open the settings and show. Well, here it is. It also supports 60 Hz or 144. You can choose it on your phone. I will choose 144. Well, I think it's smoother than the Xiaomi 14T Pro. I don't know why, but no, I've tested it already and I will show you the results. here is the results. As you can see, the Xiaomi 15T Pro showed good results. Here was a little bit downward trend. Well, speed test. Okay. Xiaomi 15 Pro, I think a little bit faster than Xiaomi 14T Pro. Yes. And Mi brother. Yes. A little bit faster. We will try to open Netflix. Yes, again. Xiaomi 15 Pro is 1. Okay. Well, I want to show you their camera, how they work, how they film. Now we will move on. Well guys, I am starting to shooting with 4K and 30 FPS. On my left hand is the Xiaomi 15T Pro and on my right hand is Xiaomi 14T Pro. Well, what do you think guys about its stabilization? I will try to run. I am in my office. As you can see, the stabilization is really minimum. And what about voice? How you can hear me? It's my office. We work here. We have a cargo company. If you need any products from China, we can help you to bring it. Don't shy. Leave a comment. Well, I think the camera is really smooth for both phones. Yes. Now I will try to shoot with its back cameras. Just hold on and I will continue. Well guys, I'm starting to shooting. On my left hand, the Xiaomi 15T Pro, I am filming with 8K 30 FPS. And in my right hand is the Xiaomi 14T Pro. I am shooting with 4K 30 FPS. You can see the color. To be honest, I like the color on Xiaomi 14T Pro. You can see here why. The Xiaomi 15T Pro makes the video really brighter than it have. I will try the stabilization. Oh, it works very well on the Xiaomi 15T Pro. Well, you can see here how it works. It's really good. And I will try it on the Xiaomi 14T Pro. Well, both phones are good, really. I will definitely buy, but the prices are really high. I will tell it later in this video, so stay with me. And you can see here some photos that we took on daylight. Okay, I want to finish this video. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and leave a comment. Bye bye. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and push the button like. See you soon again. Bye bye.